These are those blades from the Grayon 2 ceiling fan. They're in pretty rough shape. The mold is kind of like powdery and it seems to be on the surface. So I'm going to see if I can kind of wash the mold off maybe. I don't know. Let's see what I can do here. Looks like most of the mold was able to be cleaned off. I'm not going to be able to salvage the bleached oak side, which is a shame because I like bleached oak. But I'm thinking that I may be able to salvage these. I'll have to do a very light sand on here to make it smooth again. And then I'll repaint it and see what happens. It's worth a shot. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work.